Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to install GIMP on Linux. So first of all we'll go on the official GIMP website to see the instructions, because for different Linux distributions you have the different ways to install it. On my Ubuntu distribution is pretty easy. I will show you that in a moment, but I will go GIMP for Linux. And right now we'll go into download section, and as you can see you have like 4 options. First one is AppImage directly, the second one is AppImage via BitTorrent. The third one is, I recommend you to go to the video where I showed you how to install Flatpak. With Flatpak installed you can use Flathub and you can install it with this way. There is a Snap store, and it's very important that AppImage supports only Debian 13 and newer distributions. So for me basically AppImage wouldn't work, I guess. So we will move to the terminal and I will show you the best way to install it on the Ubuntu distribution. On the Ubuntu distribution you can do it with writing just one line of command. So sudo apt install and GIMP. It is really simple. You have to type in your password and it is working. Do you want to continue? Yes. We will type in Y and press enter. And right now we have to wait a bit for it to be installed. It shouldn't take, I guess, above 1 minute, but we have to wait. And right now our installation is finished and we can right now open our GIMP. How can we do it? We have two ways. Again, the first way is go into your apps and just press on the GIMP right there. We'll press on that, and as you can see our GIMP is launching. I will minimize that, and it is working well. So you can do it like this, and also there is a second way. You can just type in GIMP in your terminal and press enter, and it will work in the same way. So this is how you can install GIMP on Ubuntu distribution. If you want the GIMP on the different distribution, this command might not work, so you have to use this site that I showed you before, and that will be on this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next ones.